Seeing the message your device is overheated, can't use torch now can be confusing, especially when you need your flashlight immediately. But don't worry, this doesn't usually mean your phone is damaged. It's actually a built-in safety feature that protects your device from excessive heat. In this video, I'll explain why this warning appears, what causes it, and the safest ways to fix it. So, let's get started. When this message appears, your phone has detected that its internal temperature is higher than the safe operating limit. To prevent further heating, Android temporarily disables the flashlight because the LED itself generates additional heat. Allowing it to turn on while the device is already hot could increase the temperature even more. This protection helps prevent damage to the battery, camera components, and other internal hardware. Several situations can cause your phone to overheat. The most common reasons include using the device while fast charging, playing graphics intensive games, recording long videos, editing videos, using GPS navigation for extended periods, or running multiple heavy apps at the same time. High outdoor temperatures, direct sunlight, or leaving the phone inside a parked car can also trigger this warning. The good news is that the issue is usually temporary. Stop using the phone for a while and let it cool down naturally. Move it to a cool, shaded place and disconnect the charger if it's charging. If you're using a thick phone case, remove it temporarily to help the heat escape more easily. Lock the screen, close unnecessary background apps, and avoid heavy tasks until the phone returns to a normal temperature. Once it cools down, the flashlight should work normally again. There are also a few things you should never do. Don't put your phone in a refrigerator, freezer, or on ice. Sudden temperature changes can cause moisture to form inside the device, which may damage internal components. Also, avoid pouring water on the phone or trying other extreme cooling methods. Natural cooling is always the safest option. If this warning appears only after heavy use or charging, there's usually no need to worry. However, if it keeps showing up even when the phone isn't hot, the cause could be a software bug, a faulty battery, or a malfunctioning temperature sensor. Restarting the phone and installing the latest software updates may help. If the problem continues, it's best to visit an authorized service center for inspection. To reduce the chances of overheating, avoid heavy usage while charging, keep your software updated, close apps you're not using, avoid prolonged exposure to direct sunlight, and always use an original or certified charger. So, if you see the message, your device is overheated, can't use torch now, don't panic. In most cases, it's simply your phone protecting itself from excessive heat. Let it cool down naturally, avoid unsafe cooling methods, and the flashlight should work again. If the warning appears repeatedly under normal conditions, have the device checked by a professional. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.